Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this project session. Okay, here we are going to tell you about the live project that we worked on. Okay, so in this project, the card manufacturing analysis, what we have done here is before I was move forward, I just give you a quick introduction of myself. My name is Avikal Chauhan, and I am the trainer in 360DigiTMG. So, in this project, card manufacturing analysis, so there are some of the things which we have to look for, and some of the things which we have to be removed, and come up with the solution how good we can do the manufacturing process efficiently and effectively. So, in this content, we are going to look for the business objective, constraint, and architecture, all those things. Okay, and this in this project first all we have done all the customer queue framework. We have done the business understanding and data collection preparation. m- Okay, EDA analysis, and then we have done the visualization part also. So the business problem in this project is that the client who manufacturing the cards, okay, make the record manually. Okay, this way, this manual process is very inefficient and always prone to very too much of difficulties and errors. And it is also very difficult to analyze the operational efficiency and the production efficiency of this company. So to ensuring to analyze their data very efficiently and effectively, first we need to digitalize this data. Okay, to do the advanced analytics and be able to find the insight in this manufacturing process. So that's for the business problem. And the objective of this project is to maximize the operational efficiency. Okay, and always there will be a constraint in our project and to minimize the occurrence of the error. So in this to achieving this objective, we all gone through 6 stages of the business understanding, data preparation, and all, and data visualization. So here we have used some of the technical stacks, which we Python libraries, NumPy, scikit-learn, Matplotlib for data visualization, and Seaborn for advanced data visualization. And we make the dashboard of whatever that projects we have done or come up with the analysis in Power BI desktop. Okay. So previously, the source of the data which we got in this project is directly come from the clients. Okay, and the data they have given to us. Okay, it have a lots of cost of columns which have a cost of manufacturing, defect rate or approved rate. Okay, and the manufacturing rate, operational columns, batch columns, number of things are there. And it is of more than 5 lakhs of rows and of 12 years of data. 12 months of data, sorry for that. Then for the EDA part, we have done box plot analysis, correlation metrics between variables, and identified the best performance efficiency. Okay, there are a few panels showed in the also we are going to we look what are the behavior of each and every column individually and what are the effects are there. As we are going to talk about the missing values, there are the less than 1% of the missing values are there, which we are handling through the se- okay, there is a spelling mistake. Instead of selection, there should be a deletion method. Okay, so through the deletion method, we have taken care of the missing value. Okay, then in the data pre-processing, we gone through the many of the things like I said you the box plot analysis we have done in EDA pre-processing IQ. Okay, whatever the outliers we have, we all done treated with the with some columns with the visualization, and there are the some column where only one or two outliers are there. So then at the time we used at that column trimming process. So for different column, we have taken a different approach. Okay, and we also done in some of the columns a label encoding for the categorical field, like they are the categorical field of the page materials, or they are the categorical field of operational stuff. For them, we have used the label encoding. Okay, and after doing all those kind of pre-processing, we scale our data into a one standard format to analyze for the advanced analytics. Okay, through line plots and scatter plots, what the data visualization we got in the Power BI is that uh, to increase the manufacturing, and reduce the defects rate, we have to use PVC material. Okay, PVC paper material to make the to make cards, credit cards and all, because other composite materials and mixed materials gives a very high defective rate ratio. Defective rate ratio, which we come up with the acceptance ratio divided by defect ratio. Whatever that ratio is very less in PVC card material, paper material. So we come up with the solution that we have to go with the PVC material. And second thing, we are also come up with the analysis that they are the sum of the operational points or operational batches are there, which we have to remove because they have a very high defective rates in the manufacturing process. Because they have very high defective rates as compared to accepting ratio or the quarterly ratio. So we have come up with that there are 2 to 3 batches or operations we have to remove. Through that, we getting more defective. There are two ways we can use that. We can also remove those defect operation centers, or we can improve, or we can do some of the improvisation. We can train those people or workers more efficiently. We can have a vocational training for them or a training program for them, so the defect rate can reduce. Or if still that things will not able to achieve, then the final decision will be going to be to remove that operational operation. So this is the analysis we are going to come up with in that project, in this project. Okay, so yeah, this is for all in this project. So thank you all of you.